Volkswagen Golf 2 litre TDI 140 brake horsepower. It's the match version, so it's got a handful of extras. This one is a category N from the insurance company, and it's got a bash on the driver's side front corner. I'll show you the rest of the car first. You've got front parking sensors, so obviously has rears as well. Fog lights at the bottom, decent alloy wheels. It's pretty clean around that side. And the top. And the interior is pretty good as well. It looks like it's been looked after. And it's got a media centre with an SD card, cruise control, handful of little buttons on it, so it's decent spec. Very clean, in fact. And the back doesn't look like it's been sat in. No bumps around the back. So rear parking sensors, of course. And this side is all good, apart from this corner here. It's been bumped. It looks really mangled at the minute because this wing was pushed in, so it's been pulled out just so it clears the wheel. And what it's actually done, it's caught the front bumper as well, but that's an easy fix. Just that little corner to be tidied. You'll need a bumper bracket. You'll need a splash guard, which is the inner line of the wheel. You'll need a new wing, obviously, and it actually busted the alloy as well. It cracked that, and behind that there was a drive shaft that was just slightly bent, so it's easier to replace. It's only like £50, and then there was a track rod as well, and a wishbone, which is an all easy part to fix and stick on. So it's going to have a new wing painted, blended in, a new alloy wheel. Obviously the mechanical work's been done. It'll be back on the road pretty much exactly as before. It's got 47,000 miles, it's a one owner, it's got full Volkswagen service history, and it is a very nice car. These typically go for around 7.5, especially with this mileage. I don't think you're going to find many of the 2 litre TDIs because they're normally going up and down the motorway, but I think this is being owned by an elderly gentleman because inside there was some batteries for a hearing aid, so I'm guessing that's the case. But it'll be back on the road for around 5.5 grand, and it is a nice car. Well, it will be when it's finished.